So this is the Eufy Security Space View Baby Monitor. Now, while other cameras out there are trending toward Wi-Fi and using your phone to monitor your baby, Eufy has stepped up the traditional combination of a camera with stable, lag-free streaming, plus a dedicated monitor unit, and gave it features with updated specs that all new parents are looking for. Out of the box, we're looking at the camera and parent unit, an extra wide-angle lens, 2 power cables with an adapter, a wall mount shelf with accessories, and some documentation. Now, unlike most monitors that come with a dedicated screen, Eufy is giving you a 5-inch display with 720p HD picture quality. Now, compared to other popular monitors with lower resolution and frame rates, this is definitely a step up. Speaking from personal experience as a dad, I've tested a lot of those non-connected monitors here in this very nursery, and they're simply not as good. Now, I'm not saying that you need 4K resolution to monitor your baby, but not having a single HD option in this day and age just doesn't seem right to me. So I'm finally glad that Eufy is stepping up and giving parents what they're really looking for out of a traditional baby monitor. Since you'll mostly be using this in the evenings, it comes equipped with solid HD night vision to check in on your baby. Plus, it's rocking 330 degrees of pan and 110 degrees of tilt to give you a full view of not only the crib, but the whole room as your little one grows. And if you'd like a wide angle view, that option is available with an interchangeable lens. The monitor itself has a range of 460 feet, so whether you're in an apartment or a multi-level townhome, you're going to be looking at a crisp, interruption-free video feed with almost no latency. On top of that, you're also looking at some basics including temperature display, two-way talk to engage with toddlers refusing to nap, a zoom function for a tight view of your little one, and super long battery life with up to 7 hours of continuous display and 17 hours of continuous audio monitoring while in power saving mode. Now here's something cool. One feature usually exclusive to Wi-Fi connected monitors are sound alerts, but these can also be found on the Eufy Space View, and it can notify you when the baby is crying, which is always helpful to any new parent. What I also love about this camera is how easy it is to travel with and install in different locations. Say for example, your in-laws. You don't have to redo that whole setup process of connecting to a Wi-Fi network again. It's as simple as plugging it in and you're good to go. Now, the last point that I'll hit on is that being non-connected means more privacy and less likelihood for hackers to compromise your device, which is a headline that's becoming all too common. So that's a look at the Eufy Security Space View Baby Monitor. To learn more, you can check out eufylife.com.
Introducing the JOOLBABY Adjustable Safety Straps. Our adjustable straps help in child-proofing fridges, cabinets, drawers, ovens, washing machines, toilets, closets, waste bins, and more. Our baby safety adjustable locks can adjust from 3 to 7 inches. They fit any size appliance and furniture. This flexible strap is easy to install and does not use tools or screws. Our safety straps use strong 3M adhesive to secure your appliance, and when you're ready to take it off, it will leave no damage. The JOOLBABY Adjustable Safety Straps.